Hello everyone, welcome back to the video, and in this video I am going to make a flow chart on Louis Pasteur, the conqueror of disease. So we are going to just begin from the beginning obviously. So Louis Pasteur was born in French on 27th of December in 1822. His interest, when we talk about his interest, he was interested in chemistry at a very young age. So coming towards his study, he studied in Paris, and then after that he was a professor of chemistry at Starburg in Alsace. Then now coming towards his interest, he was a curious man and he was interested in all new experiments in chemistry. Then in 1854, he was appointed head of College of Science at Lille, a busy manufacturing town in the northeast of France. Now, he was known as a young chemist, and since he demonstrated actions of living yeast. Now here what happened that once manufacturer consulted Pasteur about his beer which was turning badly. Now what Pasteur did that he helped the brewer by discovering all the things he did not know about yeast. Now what happened that Pasteur became certain that yeast was alive, made up of tiny cells. So when these cells were healthy, the yeast acted well, but if they are not, which means if the yeast it were diseased, the yeast and the beer went wrong. Now discoveries by Louis Pasteur. So the two kind of experiment. First he did with curve neck. Here he boiled the broth, which in end at the final after the experiment. So the curve necked broth, it was free of microorganism. It wasn't contaminated. Whereas the other experiment that he did without curve neck, like what he did, he broke that curve neck. And after that what happened that it was contaminated, microorganisms could grow there in that broth. His next discovery was about pasteurization. Later he was also known as director of scientific studies in Paris. He was also known as father of bacteriology. Then he found cure for anthrax. He also received number of honors for discovering so many cures of all the diseases. His last experiment was on rabies in 1885. He inoculated some weak rabies, which was weak, but somehow it worked. Thank you. Hope it helps.